In this tutorial, I'm going to show you fancy cut gems between multiple curves. Let's launch the tool. And let's pick some marquee so we have something different. And we'll pick our curves, middle click, and our surface. I'm going to turn off the bridge for this. And I'm going to rotate the gems 90 degrees. And this is just a preview, it's just showing you the space that will be occupied. It'll sharpen up on the points of the marquee soon. So now, just put in a large number to fill the space. And you can skip alternate rows, like your other tool as well. And hide your balloons, change your start and end, you can mirror it, you can oversize them. Just follow the commands here and it's pretty simple. If it doesn't have enough room for another gem, you're going to be forced into a little bit of a gap like that. And you're okay to command. There you go. I hope it's helpful.